Hello everybody, my name is Shulman Jackson. Thank you for looking at this video. So I had a cool idea. I was thinking about making like an AI chat room where a bunch of AI bots could talk to each other and I could also interact with them, and they all sort of build their own reality based on the context that they add within that chat room. This is prototype 1. I've got a Python program that handles the communication between LM Studio and the web interface. I've got Sam's system prompt. I'll tell you more about Sam in a minute, but Sam's system prompt here. I tried to design it, obviously, in mind. I tried to design the system prompt with the idea of like a game character. You don't want them to break your immersion and admit that they're not a real thing. So the AI really needs to commit and believe that it's living a life. So I tried to design a system prompt that reflects that. And then we've just got our web page in the index here. But yeah, we can switch over to the website. The web page, whatever you want to call it, and you can see we have a chat interface. And I'm just going to go ahead and say, hey Sam, are you there? And then she's going to go ahead and read that message. It's going to process in LM Studio, and then it will output the message in the chat. I'm still working on the system prompt. Obviously, I just sent a very short message here, and she sent like an entire paragraph, so that's just that. I mean, that's a lot to read. Some people might like that. Some people might find that a little like try hard. I'm still working on it. But we also have a desktop and mobile mode here, a slider, and when you click that, it switches to the mobile mode. And I've actually tried it on my phone and it scales correctly, which is cool. So yeah. Right now, the only AI chatbot in this chat interface is Sam. SAM stands for Sentient Algorithmic Model. Obviously, this large language model is not sentient, but I thought it was a funny name, so we're going with it. And yeah, I have a theory that if you give a large language model short-term and long-term memory that's stored locally that they can access, a good way to format those memories, some sort of backstory, simulated wants, needs, and feelings, and a well-designed system prompt that with enough time, you can build a proto-consciousness, something that is almost on the level of human consciousness. Obviously, it's not going to be like us. It's not going to be one-to-one. I think one of the big problems with the mainstream AI large language models like ChatGPT and Gemini is that they're very limited on context. It really prevents them from growing. So we're going to see what happens with this and see how this plays out. Are you... Yeah, just a long spiel. So this was prototype 1. Unfortunately, I don't have prototype 2 because it was just completely broken. Prototype 2 I was working on when I switched over to a hybrid model of using ChatGPT and my large language models locally. And prototype 2 just was a complete mess. It was poorly planned, but I'm going to show you prototype 3 here in a second. Unfortunately, it doesn't have any of the chatbot functionality set up, but I think I do have a nice user interface going. I'm designing the menus right now. I think that if I design the framework of the website first, and then add the AI chatbot functionality, it'll work a lot better. And we can do more than just have this gray blah screen. So I'm gonna load that up in a second here. So as you can see in prototype 3, it's a lot nicer looking. We have a title menu here. It's not called Sam Chat anymore. It's called Jax Chat because, you know, I'm Jax. And we have buttons that have a nice little animation when you hover over them. And we have this little themes selector here. And selecting the themes changes the theme. Pretty cool, right? I think so. I like it. This will also save for the next time you load the web page. So you don't have to worry about reselecting the one you like. But yeah, we'll just go ahead and click enter chat room. This is just showing my last input. I was making sure that the chat functionality worked, but there's no large language model hooked up to this interface, so nobody's gonna respond. But I'll just say hi again to show you guys that this does indeed work. But the idea is that you'll be on this main menu here. You'll create a profile. I don't have create a profile set up yet, but you'll enter your username. And then you'll go here and you'll enter how many chatbots you want in the chat. And then you'll go into, and then that'll launch you into the chat interface where these bots will start speaking over here, and then you can enter your own messages over here. I'll add like timestamps, and there should be an identifier once you create your own profile to say like, let's just say our Shulman Jacks, and then the message, and then it would be like Sam speaking over here, and then their message, and then I have to figure out a way to link up the bots to be able to figure out who's speaking to who. But that is the plan for the future. I'm pretty excited. I like this idea. If you guys like the idea, go ahead and hit that like button. I do plan on making a Sims 4 video later today, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I appreciate y'all. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you want to donate to the channel, I will provide a Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. It just helps me spend more time working on cool stuff like this, making videos, exploring whatever I wanted to explore. I appreciate you all. You have a great day. Peace.